Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can use Snapchat without your phone. So if you're using a web browser, you can visit the official website of snapchat.com or web.snapchat.com and log in with your username and password like I have done so. You can send messages and you can also chat with people that you prefer, but some features may be limited. And if you want to use Snapchat like on your Android device, you can go ahead and install any emulator on your computer or laptop, such as BlueStacks or Nox Player. Then simply launch your emulator on your device. Then go to Store and search for Snapchat and then simply download it on your emulator. Then you can start using it like on your phone. Keep in mind that some features like taking photos or videos or using SnapMap might not work on the web. You'll likely need your phone for initial verification or two-factor authentication, and make sure that you never share your login information with unofficial websites or apps to avoid scams. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.